In today's time, you see there are so many n number of sharpeners existing. Now let's take what happens with this pencil and sharpener. Now again the same problem out here. Like you see, you find lots of varieties of sharpeners and pencils, but end of the time when you don't have a good result, that is a problem. That's a problem. The pencil looks very blunt and it doesn't give a great look. So let's see now this. Now this is the sharpener and this is the pencil. Now you see this gives a better result than the previous one. You can see the way the blade is sharpened and the pencil also gives a better look. Now we can see this. Yeah, see, this is what the point which is required when you do a scribble art. All leftover pencils, you can see the size, the length of the pencil. Sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's shorter. These are all my school time pencils which I'm using for my scribble art. So don't throw pencil even if it is the smallest to smallest one, just keep utilizing it. So use any pencil for your scribble art.